Sebo Airbelt E1 Kombi is one of the most popular models, but is it the right model for you? In order to consider if this is the right model for you, the first thing we pay attention to is the floor head it comes with. As the name suggests, it comes with a combi tool. But what is a combi tool? Well, it's what I call a lazy man's tool. Why? Because it can do bare floors and rugs or flat carpets at the same time without you having to switch floor heads. You would see there are two levers here. One, you push out this way, bristles come out. You use this on bare floors, and as you move on to a carpeted area, as long as again it's flat and low pile, push the lever back in, bristles go in, and you now use this on rugs and carpets. There's no moving parts, so there's nothing to get tangled up here. E-Series is the middle of the line, but gets the best features. So it's lightweight, it's compact, but it's got a long core, 25 feet, and a large dust capacity. All of that makes this a great vacuum for someone who's looking for a, not something too big, not something too small, lightweight vacuum that can do multiple types of floors and is easy to use. Now this is great, but I'm curious to see how this machine performs on different types of flooring. And for that, I will test it against, here we go. I will test it against a flat rug that we have here. The bare floors, hardwood, ceramic, whatever. These are just hardwood. For this, let's get this bright, shiny yellow sand, which tends to stick to everything. It's a pain to get off of any surface, and that's quite a bit of it. Well, let's see how we do with this. As far as suction, again, you can control the suction here. I'll keep it in the middle. For the carpet, bristles are in, so push to the left. Oh, super easy. You know what it is? The two large wheels on the back here just make this floor head really nice and easy to push. Let's see how it does on higher suction. Obviously becomes a little harder to push back and forth. So that's why we always say on rugs and carpets, medium suction would probably do best. Let's see how we do on hard floors. It should be a piece of cake, and it absolutely is. No issues, nothing left behind. That's great. Let's see how we do under furniture. This floor head has a really nice neck that allows it to kind of lay flat on different. Oh, well, this is a little too. We're being generous with the sand today. That's good. Okay, well, let's consider both. Again, the idea is just to show you that this thing really does lay flat under different furniture and surfaces. So super easy. Oh look, I found other stuff in there. Nice. The same thing here. This is a lot of clearance, but we are fine. We are golden as expected. I like this combo tool. It's just really easy to use. Well, to reiterate, obviously you get one floor head, which is the combi tool, but you also do get 3 accessories to go with it. The dust limiter sits on the metal one. Could be a little tricky to put this thing on. Take your time with it. You may just want to leave it on the outside, but you also do get the upholstery tool and the crevice tool right here. That is your crevice tool, and this you push in to release your upholstery, which is actually a really nice upholstery tool for any type of furniture, beds, or what have you. Being a German designed and manufactured vacuum, this thing is chock full of interesting design features. Starting with the looks. Obviously, it's a beautiful vacuum. Not only that, you get a hose that's very lightweight that connects, locks into the canister so it doesn't just fall off. It's a crush proof hose. You get a comfort handle to go with it. It's easy on your wrist, hands, and shoulders. You get a telescopic metal wand, obviously, so you don't have to bend. Again, the floor head and everything connects to each other through locking in, so nothing falls off halfway through vacuuming. Casters on the back. You get a 25-foot cord. For this size vacuum, that's very impressive. But one of the most important design features with the E1, calling it an Airbelt E1, is the literal air belt, which is around the vacuum. Now this is pretty cool. It's exclusive to Sebo's. As far as I know, no other vacuum cleaner does this. It's a soft belt right around the vacuum that protects your baseboard and furniture when this thing hits everything around. 1200-watt motor on the Sebo Airbelt E1, obviously very powerful, but you do need to control all that power, which is pretty standard with all these vacuums. You get the on and off button here, and it's also your suction dial, because you don't need full suction on all different surfaces. You get to control how much suction the machine puts out. Now the Sebo Airbelt E1, just like any other Sebo canister, gets what we call an S-class filtration, which is hospital grade filtration. They established that with a few layers of filtration, which starts with a very nice quality cloth bag, 3.5 liter, which is very healthy actually for this size and weight of a vacuum. There's a second filter, which is what we call a pre-motor filter. So the air that comes through first goes through this, then goes through that filter. Not only that, watch this. They have a really cool feature at the back of the machine. Here you have an exhaust filter, which you can access very easily. These filters you change once a year or so. So there's another layer of filtration, but that's not the last of it, because remember, the air leaves from the sides. There's fabric here. That's the last layer of filtration. That all means the dust you pick off the floor doesn't leave the vacuum. So especially if you have allergies, asthma, things like that, you need to watch out for getting the best filtered vacuum. The Sebo E1 will do that for you. This thing is just about 12 pounds as far as the weight of the canister is concerned. But then again, remember, it's a canister, it's not an upright. With an upright vacuum, every stroke back and forth, you would be feeling the weight on your hands and shoulders. Canisters, they sit on the floor. The heaviest part sits on the floor. All you're dealing with is a very lightweight hose and wand. The other thing is, okay, it's light, but can it move around, or is it going to get stuck everywhere? Well, because of the 3 casters at the back here, which kind of work like, the wheels on a suitcase, this thing maneuvers real nice and easy. It doesn't get stuck, and you're going to enjoy moving it here and there. Well, currently the Sebo Airbelt E1 is being offered in white and black. So as far as quality and reliability is concerned, you've got nothing to worry about. This would be your forever vacuum. However, the manufacturer, Sebo, gives you a 5-year warranty, and not only a 5-year warranty, currently they're putting a 10-year warranty on this stuff. So they put their money where their mouth is. Not only that, us, the Vacuum Warehouse, are a Sebo sales and warranty center. So when you purchase from us, you obviously get support throughout the life of the vacuum. If there's anything that you need, any questions you may have, any parts, accessories, or add-ons, we are here and happy to help. Not only that, we want to make sure you love this vacuum, so we give you a 30-day full refund if you don't love the vacuum, 90-day price match guarantee, free shipping across all provinces in Canada, financing is available, and we send you videos on how to use the machine and maintain it, so that, make sure the vacuum lasts forever and ever and ever. Now, if you have any questions, chat with us on vacuumwarehouse.ca, or 1-877-220-5656 is our toll-free number.